Hi friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about basics of Arduino board and how we can check that the board is working or not. First of all, what is Arduino? Arduino is a microcontroller based board. It is a processor is 80 mega 328. At present I am having the Arduino Uno. So it is a clock processor 16 megahertz. The processor is 80 mega 328 and it has a power pins 5 volt 3 volt ground and analog pins, that is 6 analog pins input, that is A1 A2 A3 A4 A5, and 14 input output digital pin, that is 0 to 7, and 8 9 10 11 12 13 reference pins, ground, pulse with this pulse pins, and also there is a reset button here. When the program is running, you can restart the board. There is two power point here. One is for adapter. Using this adapter pins you can power the board, and other port is using the USB cable through the laptop. And there is a crystal, it has a 16 megahertz. Now we can check how we can check the board it is working or not. There is many types of Arduino board. There is Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, Arduino Bluetooth, red board, so like that. So in this board there are different types of clock is there. Each board has different types of clocks and pins. And we have having a on Arduino Uno. So we discuss in this about Arduino Uno. Here the cable, this cable is used to connect the Arduino board and the laptop. See, the port is like this, and it is to connect the laptop port. Now I am connecting the Arduino board to the laptop. Now we can check the board is working or not. First, in system, install the Arduino and open the Arduino file, or open Arduino, open the file basic and blink. The LED blink, LED built-in system will be program will be there. There is a LED built-in. Compile the program. While the compiling, if there is any error, it will show. If there is no error, proceed to the upload button. Now the program is compiled. Before that, click the tools, see the port, that is port is connected to the Arduino. That is now my system is connected to the COM8 Arduino Uno. The port will be shown Arduino. After that, upload the Arduino, upload the program. Now the program is upload to the Arduino. See, the LED is blinking. Now the Arduino is working. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can reply in the comment.